Welcome back to TechSphere, your hub for the latest in tech. Today, I am showing you 5 tech gadgets you must have in 2025 that will change the way you live, work, and play. Stick around because gadget number 5 is something you'll definitely want to try. Let's kick it off with gadget number 1, the Smart Glasses 2025 edition. These aren't your ordinary glasses. They're like having a mini high-tech display right in front of your eyes. Imagine checking notifications, maps, or even getting real-time translations while traveling without needing a phone or a computer. It's like having a personal assistant that you can wear on your face. The possibilities are really endless. Now let's talk about gadget No. 2, the AI-powered Smartwatch. This isn't your typical fitness tracker. It's like having a personal health coach on your wrist. It tracks your steps, your heart rate, your sleep, and even predicts potential health issues based on your daily activities and patterns. It also helps you manage stress and gives AI-powered recommendations for a healthier lifestyle. Now that's a smartwatch that truly looks out for your well-being. Up next is gadget No. 3, the noise-canceling earbuds with live translation. These earbuds are perfect for travelers, professionals, or anyone who wants to enjoy some peace and quiet. Just imagine being able to talk in your language and have the earbuds translated on the spot. It's like having a personal interpreter wherever you go. And when you're not traveling, these earbuds are your go-to for blocking out background noise so you can focus on your work or simply enjoy your favorite tunes. Now let's move on to gadget No. 4, the home robot assistant. Think of it as Alexa with legs. This little guy can help you with all sorts of chores, from cleaning the floor to fetching you snacks. It's like having a personal assistant that takes care of your home while you're busy. These robot assistants are becoming more and more affordable in 2025, so get ready to see them in more homes. And now the moment you've been waiting for, gadget No. 5, the next-gen portable solar power bank. This innovative power bank harnesses the power of the sun to keep your devices charged up anywhere, anytime. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply lounging at the beach, this portable power bank is a must-have for anyone who loves to explore the outdoors. Its compact design and high-efficiency solar panels make it the perfect companion for your next adventure. So which of these gadgets would you buy first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, check out the rest of my content. This is TechSphere, and I'll see you in the next one.